Your drilling nerds, I am your host, Hannah, ready to give your kitchen a cool upgrade that would impress even Gordon Ramsay. We are looking closely at the latest countertop trends that will transform your cooking area from okay to amazing. Get ready as we are about to go beyond what you expect for countertops. Granite countertops. First up, we have the ever popular granite countertops. These are known for their durability and unique patterns. Each slab of granite is unique, just like your kitchen. Quartz countertops. Next, we have quartz countertops. These countertops offer a sleek and modern look, plus, they are super easy to maintain, making them a favorite among busy home owners. Marble countertops. Marble countertops are a symbol of luxury and elegance. They add a touch of class to any kitchen, but remember, they require a bit more care to keep them looking their best. Butcher block countertops. Butcher blocks countertops give your kitchen a warm and cozy feel. Plus, they are great for chopping and slicing. They bring a bit of a rustic charm to your kitchen. Concrete countertops. Concrete countertops are modern twist. They are customizable and have a cool industrial vibe. If you are looking for something unique, concrete might be the way to go. Laminate countertops. Laminate countertops budget friendly and available in a variety of colors and patterns. They are a great choice if you are looking to remodel on a budget. Stainless steel countertops. Stainless steel countertops for that professional kitchen look. They are heat resistant and easy to clean. Plus, they bring a bit of a professional kitchen vibe to your home. Soapstone countertops. Soapstone countertops are a historic favorite. They are stain resistant and have a beautiful timeless look. If you are looking for a countertop with a bit of history, soapstone is a great choice. Tile countertops. Tile countertops are classic choice. They offer endless design possibilities and are easy to repair. If you are a fan of DIY, tile countertops could be a good choice for you. Solid surface countertops. Last but not least, solid surface countertops. They offer seamless installation and come in a wide range of colors. Moreover, they don't absorb liquids, which means they are a clean and healthy option for your kitchen. And that's a wrap. Remember, the best countertop is the one that fits your kitchen and lifestyle. Thanks for joining me, Drilling Nuts. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks, and leave a comment below with your favorite countertop material.